Your Cricket Wireless username is typically the email address you use to log in and manage your account. To change it, simply log in to your account on the Cricket Wireless website or mobile app. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile. Find the option to Update Email. Enter your new email address. Verify it using the code sent to that new address. Remember, the new email can't already be associated with another Cricket account. This process is crucial for maintaining account security and receiving important notifications. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection against unauthorized changes. If you encounter issues such as not receiving the verification code, check your spam folder. For a new email already in use, double-check that the email address is correctly entered. For persistent problems, Cricket Wireless offers AI chatbots within the app for guided assistance. Cricket is focused on digital account management with self-service updates. Future trends include unified logins and biometric authentication for enhanced security. Staying proactive with these updates keeps your account secure in the evolving telecom landscape.